Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means what? Another color. Yes, we are in the spirit of Halloween, so I had to come and show you guys this beautiful black lipstick that goes by the name of Chicago.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game.
Let's mix it up.
So first things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base. If you don't know by now, you get it from Veryveelobeauty.com, and I'm going in with 9 tads of this base. Now if you're making this black matte lipstick on a larger scale, then of course you would use 9 tablespoons. So I'm making it on a smaller scale, so I'll be using 9 tads instead, while utilizing my mini measuring spoons. They are so wonderful when it comes to making small batches, tester batches, just so you can test out the color and kind of see if it's something that you want to commit to, or if this is a color that you want a part of your line, or whatever the situation may be. It cuts back on a lot of waste when it comes to just making product that is just gonna sit around. But anyway, like I said in the beginning of the video, this color goes by the name of Chicago in my line. I'm going in with a smidgen, or on a larger scale, 1/4 teaspoon of the titanium dioxide, and I'm just gonna whip that up with my hand mixer. But yes, I have made this color on my channel before, but I didn't incorporate the clay. So now I'm going in with 12 tads, or 12 tablespoons on a larger scale of the black oxide. But yes, I never included the Kaolin Clay because this was before I realized how wonderful it was. But yes, I wanted to come back and redo this video, as I will be redoing a lot of my other videos and making new colors that I have not released. But yes, just to show you guys how the black matte now looks, now that the Kaolin Clay is now incorporated or is an ingredient in our matte lipstick. So I'm just folding in that black first with my rubber spatula, silicone spatula, I'm sorry. And once I fold that in, I'm just gonna give it a good mix with my hand mixer.
Can't seem to get enough. When I wake from dreaming, tell me, is it really love? How will I know? Trust your feelings. How will I know? How will I know? Could be deceiving. How will I know? How will I know if he really loves me?
And now for the holy grail ingredient in all of my matte lipsticks, the Kaolin Clay. I'm going in with 9 tads of the Kaolin Clay because I want to make sure that I use equal parts that I use to base, to ensure that it dries within seconds as it is exposed to the air. So I'm just folding that clay in, and what's going to happen is it's going to form into this paste consistency, as you can see it doing now. That's absolutely normal. That's what you want to see. But in order to convert the texture back to a nice liquid cream consistency, you have to go in with the Isododecane remix. You can grab this from my website as well, www.veryveelobeauty.com, and I'm going in with 3 tads of the Isododecane remix. On a larger scale, you would be using 3 tablespoons of the Iso remix.
Can't seem to get enough. When I wake from dreaming, tell me, is it really love? How will I know? Trust your feelings. How will I know? How will I know? Could be deceiving. How will I know? How will I know if he really loves me?
lipstick is a nice creamy liquid consistency, I'm gonna go ahead and bottle things up. Hey, we about to bottle things up. Remember, if you one of my day ones and you know I used to go in on that song when it was time to bottle up some lipstick. Okay, so my good friend of mine, she mentioned it to me. Shout out to Sandra. She mentioned it in a text message one day, and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna bring that song back. So here we are. We about to bottle things up. Hey, we about to bottle things up. I know it's kind of corny, but I like it. Anyway, so I'm filling up the back of my syringe, and I'm just going to fill my bottle, and I'm going to gently tap my bottle as I insert the product in, just so that it can level. I did not use a pipette like I usually do because, like I said, I'm working on the smaller scale, and I didn't want the product to get stuck in my pipette. So here's just another little way to kind of get your product in a bottle. Just as long as you're patient and use a little force and allow that product to level down. While you tap, it will level itself out, and I kind of like it this way for that reason, as it's self-leveling and you can see exactly how much product is in that bottle versus when it's going in too fast. Sometimes it's less product in the bottle, if that makes any sense. But I'm just making sure that this bottle is full. I'm leaving an inch space. With these type of bottles, I like it because that little white part is an indicator of where you should stop filling, so that your wand can go in with ease, just like that. And I have made a black matte lipstick, and I am so excited to share and put it on. I am going to line my lips first, and then I'm just going to fill in my lips with this lipstick, and it goes on so smooth and it glides wonderfully. Thanks to that ISO remix, it just glides wonderful, and now it is already drying, and just like that, I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making Chicago, and it is dry. It looks so good. The coverage is amazing. I absolutely love it. Perfect in time for the Halloween, time for winter, and time for fall. Just an overall good black lippy, right? So if you want to take your lipsticks to the next level, your lipstick making skills to the next level, and you want to spend time with me where we go over all there is to know about making liquid lipsticks, I would love to have you join my one-on-one virtual mixology class, where we will be together and I will go over so much recipes. When you leave this class, you will be confident in making colors on your own, and making liquid lipsticks, and making wholesale. So many opportunities that you can get and benefit from when taking this class. So be sure to go to my website, veryveelobeauty.com, and check out the class. I love you guys so much, and thank you as always for supporting my channel. Love you. Bye.